Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking Windows and Office eligibility so the update will apply cleanly. Make sure you have administrator rights and that Excel files are backed up to prevent data loss. Once done, close Excel and all Office apps to free files and allow installers to replace components. You'll use Control Panel or Microsoft Update next. That's the actionable step. Follow prompts to check for updates, and if you see Office updates for 2010, select them and prepare to install. You should download patches from Windows Update or the Microsoft Download Center to ensure authentic files. Prioritize Service Pack installs first because they include cumulative fixes, then apply security and feature updates. During installation, watch for prompts asking for restart or repair. Accept them to avoid corrupt installs. If multiple updates queue, install in logical order and restart between large packages. Make sure your broadband remains connected and power is stable to prevent interruption of the installation process. You verify success by opening Excel and checking the About dialog for the new build number. Testing key features ensures functionality. If something behaves oddly, run Office Diagnostics or the Control Panel Quick Repair to fix corrupted files. If problems persist, identify the most recent update and uninstall it, then reinstall cautiously. One key troubleshooting tip: boot Windows in safe mode to uninstall problematic updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.